here we go. Here's Lucy and Vienna. Vienna, hi honey. Vienna is probably, what, close to a year old? Maybe 10, 12 months, something like that?
Yeah.
And she's already spayed. She is a shepherd mixed female. She loves children. She loves Lucy, and she is being fostered by Lucy and her mom. Jordy, stop. And Vienna is cat friendly. Hi honey. Hello sweetie, you're so pretty. She's very playful, sweet, gentle. Did I mention that she was cat friendly? That she's in the house with cats? Did you hit your boo-boo or your elbow? Hi, Vienna. Vienna. Hi, honey.
She loves to run. I'm assuming she was harder.
And Lucy is our little child tester, and without Lucy doing this, people wouldn't be able to see how child-friendly that Vienna is. Aw, how sweet. Vienna, pretty girl. Oh, she's so pretty. What a good girl.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. He's happy being a lap dog.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to tell us about Vienna so that a potential family that might want to adopt her should know?
She loves to run free.
And is she nice to the kitties?
Yeah.
She what?
Yes. And she's used to sleeping on a big bed.
Oh, and she sleeps in bed with you too, that's right. Okay.
And she can handle 2 other dogs with her.
Oh. Yeah, she's friendly with other dogs. Well, if you'd like to meet Vienna and make Vienna a part of your family, please put an application in.